Students, do you know which day is coming? Yes, Father's Day is coming. So today we will learn to make this type of card for our father. So let's start. Take a white A4 sheet, pastel sheet, some red pastel sheet and half A4 size half sheet of any color. Scissor, pencil, scale and fevicol and markers. So take this blue sheet, half pastel sheet, cut like this some additional part and now fold it into half, then open it and again more than this line here and more than this line here. They may be overlap for pasting. Now open and fold like this, like a coat, like this. Like this and like this. Now also put some fevicol here to make an envelope of our card. Now envelope is ready. Now fold white A4 sheet into half like this and mark the size of this envelope little bit small and cut like this. I mark this length. Now I cut it. Now like this, fold it and place here in the card. Now take some white sheet out from the envelope and fold it. Now cut the upper part and lower part also cut it, but half from this side and less than half from this side, less than half from this side and less than half from this side. Now fold it and make a collar shape like this and place it into in your envelope like this. It looks like a shirt and blazer. Cut a square red sheet and fold it like this and this from both sides like this. For making tie, like this corner like this and pinch like this. Now fold it like this to make a tie shape like this. Like this. It is broad at the end and narrow at the upper side. Now fold it, open it like this. This shape. Our tie is ready. Now put the fevicol and paste it on your card. White sheet here like this paste the collar also. Like this. Now make a pocket like this. I already making, and paste it. Make a hanky like I cut a square piece and fold it into a triangular shape. Put the Fevicol and paste it in the pocket like this. Now our card is ready. Now write something here and inside the shirt or white sheet. Now students, it is ready. Now open it like this and this. This is the card for Father's Day which you make like this.